Guys are ready for this?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Hi, it's Angad Ira. We live in Berlin and this is our October. 3-hour drum jams and kitchen smelling like onion soup, lighting up Diwali, tasting oysters like we're fancy, exploring new cafes and squeezing in flat viewings in between. And months of tiny adventures, coziness, warm food and romanticizing life. Relive these moments with us.
This weekend, the Oyster Festival, it's always end of September, beginning of October, when the oyster season starts. Now we have 15 different kinds. Company's logo on the oyster.
On each of them?
On each of them. Here it's a bit like this, here is it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Sylt, Tsaskaya, and the Gelado.
Great.
Enjoy.
So we are here at Fisher's Paradise. We're going to try some oysters. We got 3 different types of oysters over here.
They're so nice. They're so fresh. I want more.
You want more? Me too.
Approved. Like. We love exploring small authentic cafes and this is one of them. It's cafe/vinyl shop. Just a chit chat with a barista, coffee, and we are ready to go for our 3 hours drumming session together. My first time drumming and he is kind of a pro.
Whoa! That's an ending. Whoa!
Nice.
We love spending time on Boxy and also getting the coffees there. That was actually hot chocolate, but it was honestly way too sweet for both of us. So on one of the Sundays, we decided to go to the Kleiner Spreewald Park, and that was a vintage market on Sunday on the way there. I found this awesome cups. They're so great. An honest review about the park. It's basically for kids. It's not really worth it. It's nice and sunny, but it's too small. There's no water, there's no place for canoe and so on. Go to the right one, go to the Spreewald. It's further away, it's in Lubenau, but it should be way more beautiful and I hope that we'll check it out next time. And that's Angad, basically editing and helping me with the music for our video. Having my Sunday late breakfast before my class, Pilates class, and I also got the dough or kind of starter for the dough for the bread. I want to try to bake it this autumn, and you need to add the flour, you need to add the water here, and then let's see how it goes. Hopefully it's not gonna die. Hopefully it's gonna survive, but that's gonna be my first time baking the bread from scratch, so I'm super curious. We'll also share with you the process. The sourdough starter ended up being successful, so it's time to bake the bread. My second bread. Hi, so I'm at Zara and there are new collections I like a lot. during the week we had one of the apartment viewings that we decided to go and check together. The apartment was not that bad overall. It was quite light. The kitchen was okay. There was nothing much to be honest, but the area was too far for both of us. The second option was way nicer, with an amazing bathroom, bathtub, which is a luxury in Berlin, beautiful kitchen already installed, even balcony. And the only point that was not nice, it's one room. There was just one room with kitchen and bathroom.
Hey guys, Angad here. I was super excited to make the soup since Ira is a huge fan. I am personally not the biggest fan of soups, but this one is an absolute iconic French culinary dish. So we had to make it. It's fall, it's raining, we had to do it. We picked up a lot of onions from the market nearby, about 2 kilos worth. And I decided to get a variety of onions, so that's white, red, along with some big ass shallots. I had to cook them in batches, as you can see, so some in the pot, some in the bowl, just so we can get them cooked off super nicely, get all that flavor, cook them off in some butter. And yeah, it was a super smelly kitchen, but honestly I was just getting more excited by the minute. Cooked them off for a while, then added some red wine for that acidity, added some beef broth. I let them cook off for some time in the broth and make sure everything came beautifully together. I then toasted some baguette in the oven, rubbed off some garlic for that, some extra flavor, added that to the soup along with some Gruyere cheese that I grated. To finish it off, I tossed it in the oven to broil, and it's a huge effort, but I'll tell you, it's worth every single bite. So go ahead and give that a try. If you like this vlog and this recipe, give us a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Also let us know what recipes you'd like to see next. I'm planning on uploading some more. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.